बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। दोस्तों, मैं हूं मेहरान अली और आप देख रहे हैं मेहरान टीवी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम इंग्लिश नॉवेल्स के जो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ हैं, जो कि पास पेपर्स जो इंग्लिश लेक्चर के उसमें आ चुके हैं या इनके बहुत ज़्यादा चांसेस हैं ये जो होने वाला पेपर है पीपीएससी का इंग्लिश लेक्चर का उसमें। तो चलें टाइम ज़ाया के बगैर इंग्लिश नावल के एमसीक्यूज़ जो इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ हैं वो स्टार्ट करते हैं। Which of the following charges were commonly leveled at the novel by its detractors at the dawn of Romantic era? Too many of its readers were women. It required less skill than other genres. It lacked the classical pedigree of poetry and drama. All of these is its true answer. Which two writers can be described as writing historical novel? So here Sir Walter Scott and Maria Edgeworth both are historical novelists. Which chilling novel of surveillance and entrapment had the alternative title Things as They Are? So here MCQ C, William Godwin's Caleb's William is its true answer. Which of the following best describes the sort of language and tone most often used when romantic writers discuss the French Revolution? Its MCQB is biblical references is its true answer. Which of the following description would not have applied to any romantic text? Its true answer is a comedy of manner. Which sorts of political reforms took place during the Romantic period? Parliamentary reform, increasing representation of the working class. Labor reform, improving working condition for industrial laborers. Educational reform, producing a dramatic increase in literacy. A and C only is the true answer. Which of the following factors contributed to literature becoming a profitable business? Commercial and public lending libraries were established in order to provide for an enlarged reading public. Education reform increased literacy, thus creating a demand for commercial and public lending libraries. A new aesthetic of valuing literature for its own sake emphasized reading for pleasure. All of these is its true answer. The Gothical novel, a popular genre for the Romantics, exemplified in the writing of Horace Walpole and Anne Radcliffe, could contain which of the following elements? Perversion and sadism, plots of mystery and terror, secret passages, decaying mansions, gloomy castles, things like that. All of these is its true answer. Given the popularity of the Gothic novel and the novel of purpose, which of the following novelists wrote fiction that is closer in subject matter to the novel of manners than it is the writing of her own era? Its true answer is Jane Austen, who wrote the life and opinion of Tristram Shandy, a novel that abandons clock time for psychological time. This was written by Lawrence Stern. Which of the following was described by its author as a comic epic poem in prose? So this is Fielding's Joseph Andrew. Henry Fielding's Joseph Andrew, who is declared as a father of novel. Henry Fielding's Joseph Andrew parodies Samuel Richardson's Pamela, but take its model from what work of continental literature? So he takes its model from Cervantes' Don Quixote. The moral choice is everything in the works of Charles Dickens. The Pickwick Paper is a novel by Charles Dickens. The abstract theory of utilitarianism is the theme of Dickens' novel. Here Hard time is its true answer. Charles Dickens gave a tragic picture of the French Revolution in his novel A Tale of Two Cities. David Copperfield, Hard Times, and Little Dorrit all are written by Charles Dickens. Hardy's nature is indifferent. Human situation in Hardy's novel is controlled by fate. Hardy is a pessimist who usually caricature his characters. Charles Dickens is its true answer. David Copperfield was also written by Charles Dickens. Stephen Guest is an important character in one of the following novels of George Eliot. He is the character of the George Eliot's novel The Mill on the Floss. Elizabeth is a character from Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice. Great Expectation was written by Charles Dickens. William Faulkner was awarded Nobel Prize for Literature in 1949. Mansfield Park is a novel by Jane Austen is its true answer. Dickens at his best is known as a portrait painter of his age. Maggie is the central character in George Eliot's The Mill on the Floss. Who wrote Gulliver's Travel? Jonathan Swift is the writer of Gulliver's Travel. Philip Wickham, Aunt Pullet, Tom Tulliver are the characters of George Eliot's novel The Mill on the Floss. Gulliver's Travel is a satire. A heroine of Pride and Prejudice is Elizabeth. Which novel is written by D.H. Lawrence? Sons and Lovers is a best novel by D.H. Lawrence. Paul David and Pip are the three notable descriptions of sensitive, nervous childhood in the works of Thackeray, no. Kingsley, no. Austen, no. The true answer is Dickens. Which of the following novelist is known for his satire in the Victorian literature? Charlotte Bronte is its true answer. The world of Lady of Shalott belongs to Greek era. Eden Heath forms the backdrop of which of the following novels by Hardy? Return of the Native is its true answer. Cervantes is a character in Don Quixote. Parson Adams and Squire Weston are creations of. This is very confusing MCQ because here Richardson and Fielding both are the true answer, but first time Parson Adams and Squire Weston were created by Richardson in his Pamela. So Richardson is its true answer. Mr. Bennet is one of Jane Austen's character in Pride and Prejudice. Which of the novel is not written by Jane Austen? Adam Bede is a novel which is not written by Jane Austen, but it was written by George Eliot. Jane Austen's other writings are Sense and Sensibility, Emma, Persuasion. Its true answer is all of these. Yahoos according to Gulliver were Europeans, Indians, Americans. None of these. The true answer is Europeans. Thomas Hardy is a social reformer, a stylist, a fatalist, a lover of nature. Its true answer is a stylist. Maggie is the central character of George Eliot's the mill on the frost. You can also